Alright, good morning guys. The time is now 7:02. It is December 4th. And I'm getting ready to go into work. I just wanted to get on here really quick to say good morning and to start the vlog off for the week. And yeah, like I said, I'm getting ready to go in here. I'm going to try my best to make today's vlog as eventful as possible, and I'm not allowed to record at work, so most of the footage will probably be me on like breaks and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm about to go in here. I got my lunch for today. I packed my lunch, yay me. And yeah, I'll probably see y'all on my lunch break, or y'all might see me before then. So yeah, just stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bells for post notifications so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video. Bye. Okay, so I just got off work, and I'm holding y'all so y'all don't slide. But yeah, I just got off work, and it is 4:26. And I'm on my way to my nail tech to get these nails off or get them shortened, because I don't want them. I'm just not in the mood for long nails. So I want my shorties back.
If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Ain't a baby, be the you. Wanna baby, be the you. Cause I'm a cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the back, you're the joker.
Alright, I'm ready. Okay. Can I get a medium 2 butter pecan swirls, 2 French vanillas, and sweet cold foam? Alright. And that'll be it.
There you go.
Thank you.
There you are. You have a great day.
Alright, thank you.
If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Ain't a baby, be the you.
Morning, happy Pink Friday. Today is a really good day because it's Friday and it's Pink Friday. Meaning Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday 2 is out now, so that makes it a great Friday. On the other hand, it is early. I just went to Dunkin'. I got a ice, the same thing I got last time, but an ice latte, a medium, 2 French vanilla, 2 butter pecan, and cold foam. And this is like my fave. And like I said, I just got to work. I'm a little early, so I can chill out for a second. But yeah, check the deeds. I put a pink little clip for Pink Friday. And I got on the Pink Friday scent today, but I didn't show y'all that. But I'll show y'all that later when I get home. But we have on our scent. So I'm about to chill out and listen to the album. I'm so excited.
What you doing, Papa? Hi. No, say hi. Don't you know I'm no good for you? I've learned to lose, you can't afford to. Torn my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Cry when I'm coming home, I'm on my own.
You never got to meet Papa. He sweet proper. He keep mama on my toes. I needed help. You booked the flight in 3 days. You'd meet Papa. The waiting, the gazing, the painting, the raging, the raving, the pacing, the praying, the shaking. I must admit I was breaking. I must admit I was taking.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog for today, and yeah, because the week is over pretty much. Tomorrow is Sunday, so that's gonna be kind of like tomorrow's Saturday, but Sunday will probably be like my reset day. So I'm gonna go ahead and end my night. I'm about to watch YouTube, watch some Vlogmas. Hopefully I'll probably do Vlogmas next year, but yeah, I'm gonna watch my girl Jada Jonay. She just uploaded a vlog. Love her down. And I got my food. Here's the food, so I'm about to go ahead and eat that. If you're new, hi, and if you're returning, hi again. And make sure y'all subscribe and follow me on all my socials, and turn on the bell for post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post.